Are you confident that your products have the correct VAT threshold status? Find out more about the complex nature of VAT-rated products by watching this video. VAT is a form of sales tax which is charged on goods and services. Sales tax or goods and services taxes are paid by the end purchasers but collected on behalf by governments, by retailers or service suppliers. There are 3 rates of VAT, which are standard rate at 20%, reduced rate at 5%, zero rate at 0%. There are a lot of complexities over which rate to charge. For example, there was a famous court case over whether Jaffa cakes should be treated as cakes so that they are classed as zero-rated products. Cakes are zero-rated whilst chocolate biscuits have 20% VAT added. A zero-rated product benefits from having no VAT added on to the product price, so consumers will benefit from the cheaper products. For example, if product A is standard rate and product B is zero rate, then product A will cost more to consumers who cannot reclaim the VAT. So, referring to it as a cake over a biscuit has an advantage as biscuits are classed as standard rated. Most consumers are not aware that they are paying sales tax as it is just included in the final price of the product. There have also been disputes over whether pasties should be classed as a luxury product due to being served warm. A lot of bakeries have since made the decision to turn off the warmer cabinets and to make their pasties in smaller batches and sell their pasties cold, so that they can remain zero rated to avoid having to charge the customers an extra 20% for the VAT. Some bakeries just adapt and increase their prices so that they could continue to sell pasties warm to avoid driving away the customers. There have been many products that have been questioned by VAT tribunals, such as e-books, Bombay Mix, digital newspapers and breakfast muffins delivered to eat at home. In some cases, it is easy to make a decision, whereas in other cases, it is difficult. For example, fruit pulp is zero rated, but fruit juice is standard rated, so the categories that smoothies fall under becomes very difficult. Make sure that you are honest when deciding upon your product's VAT status. Do not just assume that it is standard rated, as this may not be the case and you may be missing out on zero rated statuses. You should be aware that your business is only legally required to apply VAT once it has a taxable turnover of more than £85,000. Some businesses deliberately stay just under the VAT threshold limit so they do not have to put their prices up by 20%. Some businesses choose not to put their prices up and cover the VAT charges from their own profits. The official guidance of VAT is extremely long and detailed and leaves many people confused. VAT is not likely to change since it generates 21% of the UK's total annual tax revenue. Therefore, make sure that you are confident that your products have the correct VAT status, in case you are faced with any queries. If you need any help, ask an expert. It's what we're here for.